Kingswood High Street again. I see Captain James T. Kirk is still there, $49.99. And the Balsa Supermarine Spitfire still there at £9.99. West Wings kit. That's probably not too bad, $9.99 for the kit. If it's all in there, you'd have to actually open it and check. Vintage wind-up clown, oh yeah, like that. Still £9.99 now. Not going to worry about that.
The mother of a woman who disappeared more than a decade ago, says she's in utter shock that police have begun a new search for her daughter at a popular fishing spot near York. Julia Lawrence, who worked as a chef at the University of York, was last seen in March 2009. Harry Kane has announced that he'll be staying at Tottenham this summer.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.